Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tyler River with Zomo, and today you are going to learn how to pack Zomo's blonde leaf tobacco. A lot of people always ask, what kind of bowl should I use? And how do I pack a bowl for I see I just run through it.
What?
We're doing this video today because a lot of you guys have been asking, what type of bowl should I use and how do I pack Zomo blonde leaf tobacco? When smoking premium hookah tobacco, there are many factors that go into getting the best smoking experience. Besides the setup, the bowl that's used is very important, and today we're using Hookah John's 80x80 funnel bowl. The reason we use a funnel bowl is because it handles the heat very well. It also gives you the proper airflow and it preserves the flavor, so it ensures you have a long-lasting smoke session. Today we are using Zomo hookah. Zomo strong foil, which is the strongest foil on the market, and we're gonna pack our bowl with acai cream. Okay, so the proper way of packing Zomo blonde leaf is doing a fluff pack.